we have a committee constituted by the All India Congress Committee, which has to deliberate and then see the parameters, and we can have a discussion with the other parties, like-minded parties, but that is only after our discussion by the committee which has been constituted by us.
So, Congress releasing its manifesto, and what will be the agenda of manifesto this time?
The process will start from today itself. As far as the manifesto committee is concerned, we will have the meeting of the manifesto committee as well. देखिए, जहाँ तक कांग्रेस पार्टी का ताल्लुक है, आज आप सब लोग ये जानते हैं कि राहुल जी के भारत जोड़ो यात्रा जम्मू कश्मीर में आने के बाद जम्मू कश्मीर में माहौल बदल गया। एक फील गुड फैक्टर जो है राहुल जी का, उस फील गुड फैक्टर को हमारी टीम का जो अवलीन फर्ज होगा उसको सिंक्रोनाइज करना, उसको चैनलाइज करना और उसको कैपिटलाइज करना इन द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द पीपल ऑफ जम्मू एंड कश्मीर, और जिससे हम यहाँ के लोगों की जो मुश्किलात मुसीबतें, चाहे वो इकोनॉमिक डिस्ट्रेस है, चाहे वो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल डिस्ट्रेस है, सो मच सो चाहे वो इवन रिलीजियस डिस्ट्रेस है, रीजनल डिस्ट्रेस है, वो सब चीजें दूर करना हमारा फर्ज औलीन होगा। We are open to all like-minded parties. We are open to all those parties who have taken their flag up against the hegemonial, against the dictatorial attitude of BJP, and for that All India Congress Committee has constituted a committee which is comprising of myself, Mir Sahab, Tarachand ji, Bhalla Sahab and Mr. Viqar Rasulwani. We have to deliberate, we have to draw certain parameters and see where the interests of Jammu and Kashmir people are safeguarded, as well as the interest of Indian National Congress is safeguarded. See, जो भी कुछ चाहे ब्लीक हैं, चाहे नहीं होगा, वो उनकी तरफ से, जो बाकी पार्टीज हैं, उनकी तरफ से अगर इनकार होगा तो होगा, that is for their reason, किस वास्ते होगा. But as far as Indian National Congress is concerned, we are very sure कि अगर वो लोग इस जो इंडिया अलायंस का पहले से जो एक खाका था, जो कॉन्सेप्ट था बीजेपी को दूर रखने का, उस कॉन्सेप्ट के साथ अगर जुड़ते हैं, we will definitely succeed. I said we have to have a committee discussion. But as far as the approach is concerned, the point of approach is concerned, to my knowledge, National Conference has already approached our central leadership. The last date.
Sir, what about PDP? Are you going to have conversation with PDP also on People Alliance?
I said to all like-minded parties, whether they belong to Jammu, they belong to Kashmir, the only criteria is they should be like-minded.
Sir, as you said, NC has approached central leadership. Has PDP approached you or the central leadership?
To my knowledge, at some level, some talks have happened.
Viqar Rasulwani, जो कि आपके predecessor JKPC president थे, he is not present here. So उसकी absence को आप कैसे देखते हैं? Is he upset?
No, he is not upset at all. In fact, his position has been elevated. He has been taken in the Congress Working Committee, and it's a matter of pride for all of us that today we have again 2 working committee members. But as far as he is concerned, he had a program in the entire constituency, and he had said that he will try his level best. He has to come from Banihal. not from Shivpura.
उसका अलग कैसे आज वहाँ पे प्रोग्राम चल रहा है। दूसरा ये सवाल है कि जो नोटिफिकेशन है कल आ रही है, फर्स्ट फेज के लिए नोटिफिकेशन आ रही है, तो आपकी कैंडिडेट्स की लिस्ट तैयार है फर्स्ट फेज के लिए?
I said हम उसके ऊपर डिस्कशन करेंगे और अप्रोप्रिएट टाइम पे वो लिस्ट भी हम रिलीज करेंगे। नेचुरली दैट लिस्ट हैज टू कम आउट, तभी इलेक्शन होगा।
Sir, Sonia Gandhi and Rahul ji will hold a rally in JNK for these elections.
We will request them to come. No. This is not the. This is a closed chapter. This is a closed chapter for a long time. So please don't scratch those things.
Thank you.